Ginger flavored button mushrooms in a creamy sauce. We start with 2 tablespoons of oil, cooking oil. As you can see, I have already heated the cooking pan or pot here because just to get the thing started, we add 4 cloves of garlic that I crushed just now, and I will add 1 teaspoon, this is half teaspoon measuring spoon of ginger. Stir it for 30 seconds and add 1 cup of onion, chopped onion. Let's saute onion, ginger, garlic together. You see how I am using the trio here again, ginger, garlic, onion, which is very easy to find everywhere, and they will give the sauce base along with tomato for the creamy sauce that we are preparing for mushrooms. Alright, let it get pan fried and turn into a roasted pink color, and once that happens we will add mushrooms. So onion, ginger and garlic with our same spice ginger in it, they look ready to take the next ingredient. Half a cup of tomato puree. Stir it. Tomato puree has water in it, so we want extra water to evaporate. So keep stirring, and while that is happening, let's add salt. So 1 teaspoon of salt. Stir it again. I have some freshly crushed black pepper. Let's crush it a little more, and we'll do 1/4 teaspoon of freshly crushed black pepper. Stir it. See how the mixture is getting thicker? That means water is evaporating, and at this point you just need to keep stirring it so that it doesn't burn at the bottom. The flame is medium here, not high, not low, because you want water to evaporate quickly. Take a smell, see if tomato smells raw or does it smell cooked. There is a certain rawness to the smell when tomato is not cooked yet, and you will know once you start cooking with it. We'll add at this point mushrooms, 2 cups of button mushrooms. I had washed them and some of them were a little too big, so I cut them too. Those that are not very big in size, you can keep them intact. See how they look orangish in color? Well cooked. I'm going to cover it with a lid, let it cook for about 3 minutes, come back to it, and then we're going to add next 2 ingredients and finish it off there. Smells wonderful, looks very good, exactly the color that I would like it to be. We have our cream spice ginger with other spices in it, and mushrooms are cooking. They're almost cooked now actually. Next ingredient to go in would be a cup of just green peas. I took some frozen green peas and steamed them in microwave for about 3 minutes before I add it in. The reason for steaming it in microwave and not cooking here is I want peas to be looking green when I switch off the stove. If I were to cook in spices, the green color will go. So I nuke it a little bit before adding into the mushrooms. And the last ingredient to go is whipped low-fat cream cheese, 3 tablespoons of it. And I'm going to add this here, stir it in, and that's what will make it a little creamy then. See how I didn't use the heavy cream or the, those whipping cream. I instead went ahead with whipped low-fat plain cream cheese that gives it the creamy base, and it looks beautiful. I have no doubt it will taste very good. All the good things have gone in it. If you can see, this creamy sauce looks little orange, and that is because this is because of the red tomatoes, white cream cheese, the color has changed into orange. This is beautiful color, and we are almost done. I will replace the lid one more time for about 2 minutes and then switch off the stove.